If you want to learn how to apply these anime and aesthetic styles to your videos, plus some super useful one-click enhancements, then keep watching. Because in this video, I'll be teaching you how to do this. And no, you don't need to download any software. Plus, you can make this happen from your phone or computer using 100% free tools. If you're new here, welcome or welcome back, and let's get started. So my original video was a bit shaky to begin with, which usually simply means that it needs a bit of post-production love. So let's make that happen right now. And if that's the case for you too, we'll be doing that with this powerful AI technology that works great for stabilizing and color correcting your footage for free. Simply head on over to CapCut.com and click Try CapCut Online. Once in here, simply drag and drop your footage into your media files. Next, you can drag your footage onto your timeline. And at the right corner, you'll see this basic settings option. So click on that. Next, click Color Adjustment. And choose AI Color Correction, which will usually take a couple of minutes, but it all depends on your footage. So if your footage is a little longer, it'll take longer. Once your color correction is ready, you can check your results. And as you can see, there are differences already. Okay, so the next step will be to stabilize our footage. So simply drop down until you see this stabilizing option. Click that option and wait for the AI magic to run its course. Now let's see how it looks. You can try applying other effects like reduce image noise. However, these two options only seem available to me at first and then they didn't, so you may want to try if they work for you too. You can then apply any other color adjustments like increasing the lightness of your video and also other settings like contrast. These are just the ones that I'm applying, but you can tweak this according to your own footage. Once your video is ready, at the top right corner, you'll see this export option. And if you haven't already, it'll ask you to log into your CapCut account. In case you don't have one, you can just create one with your email. Once you're in, simply click the export option. If you want, you can download this as a GIF, but right now we'll be downloading this as a video. So simply click on download, and then you can adjust your settings. For this example, I'll be using the 1080p resolution, and I'll also be using a high quality. Next, click Export and wait for the export process to happen. Once your video is exported, it will automatically download into your computer. Perfect, so now let's test it and see how it turned out. If you want, you can use the trimming options of CapCut to make your video into a shorter version of it. This is particularly helpful because the aesthetic styling tool that we'll be using will only allow us to convert the first 5 seconds of our video. So if you have to make any additional edits and only leave the part that you want to show, you can do that as well with CapCut. Another helpful thing you can do is attach the audio from your video if that's something you want to do as well. Once your video is ready, simply click on Export, check your settings, and click Export. And the file will be downloaded into your computer. Now let's get ready to give our footage an aesthetic stylized look. And to do that, let's head on over to our next tool. Thanks so much to the guys at Kawaii, which is an absolutely delightful kawaii store in Guatemala City. They were incredibly kind and welcoming, so thank you so much. In order to stylize this footage, we'll simply go to our next tool, which is lensgo.ai. Once in the main page, you'll want to select this option, which is the video style transfer option. Once in there, you can check the different styles that they have. Next, simply upload your footage. And once it's uploaded, you can select the style that better fits your project. You can add a prompt, which is optional, but in my experience, I've found that it's quite helpful because if not, the style will simply miss very important details of my video. Next, you can select how strong you want the styling to look. What I find best is to experiment with high or normal settings according to your video and choose the style that better fits your project. For video duration, we'll be choosing the first 5 seconds and we'll be clicking on Generate. Now this process does take a while. I used this tool for several clips for this tutorial and on average they took around 7 or 8 minutes each. Once your footage has been converted, you can click it and check the end result. Once you're happy with your video, simply click download and the file will be downloaded into your computer. Now, full disclaimer here, I do have a pro account while recording this tutorial, but a pro account is not required to complete any of these processes. Lensgo.ai gives you a free account with 50 points per day. You can use these credits for video, style transfer, and any other creative AI tools they offer, like image generation, image to image, and others. This video is not sponsored, I'm just explaining this in case it's useful for you in your own creative process. And in case you want to know, you can also follow these steps from your phone, since Lensgo AI also works on mobile devices. So now let's create this aesthetic UGC footage. I recorded this while traveling, which I simply put on top of a coffee mug, so I just thought it would be fun to convert it into something else. Once again, you can adjust your footage on CapCut. Simply upload it, drag it onto your timeline, and make any edits you need. You can always resize and reframe your video and make any other additional edits. Like the AI color correction tool and the stabilizing option. I tried to apply the stabilizing option, however, it was simply not working. I think it was because there were many little clips on this video. CapCut was having kind of a hard time with this, so what I decided to do was to simply download this video into a single clip and then re-upload it into my CapCut account, which then allowed me to apply the stabilizing option with no problem. And once you're ready, simply click Export, check your settings, and click Export. Once your file is downloaded into your computer, simply drag and drop it onto Lensgo.ai, wait for it to upload, and once it's uploaded, you can insert your own prompt. Next, select your favorite style and click Generate Video. Again, this process will take a while, but I'm just speeding it up for the purpose of your time. Now let's see how it looks. So, what do you think? I always love connecting and sharing experiences with fellow creatives. So I kind of wanted to see this clip with another style, so I re-uploaded it. And this time I chose a different style, which is the felt aesthetic. So simply doing some minor adjustments to the prompt and click Generate Video. And now that it's ready, let's see how it looks. Now to create this aesthetic handbag and nail polish video, let's start by adding our original video footage to CapCut.com, dragging it on our timeline, and applying the AI color correction tool. Next, the stabilizing tool. And now let's see how our footage looks. Next, I'll be making some trimming adjustments to this video. And now that it's ready, simply click Export, Download, and Export. Next, on LensGo AI, I'll simply upload the footage, select my favorite style. For this example, I chose the origami style. Click Generate Video. And now let's see how it turned out. Here I'm showing you different aesthetic styles that I apply to this footage, so you can choose your favorite. Which one's your favorite? So now let's create this aesthetic UGC footage. We'll simply take this footage and put it into CapCut.com, and next I will be reframing it. Next, I'll use the AI color correction tool and trimming my video into a 5-second version that includes my favorite parts. And the stabilizing option. Now that this video is ready, I'll click on Export, Download, and Export. And now that this is ready, I'll simply add it to LensGo, wait for it to upload, write the prompt, and for this one, I'll be using the felt aesthetic, and click Generate Video. Now that it's ready, let's see how it turned out. Very, very cute. What do you think? One of the things I'm loving about this tool is that it not only stylizes product-based footage, but you can also use it to stylize footage including human faces too. So in order to do this, simply drag and drop your footage onto lensgo.ai, wait for it to upload, write the prompt, select your favorite style, and click Generate Video. You can try many different styles and prompts and see what works best for your project. I created this anime aesthetic podcasting video using the Ghibli style, and I tried it with different hair colors. And then I adjusted the prompt to see if I could change the hair color. And this is how it turned out. You can try this with as many videos as you want, and if you have a free account, don't worry, because if you run out of credits, you can simply wait until the next day and your credits will be replenished. Or in case you want to upgrade, they also have paid plans too. That's more of a matter of personal budget and preference. This one, I tried it with different styles and prompt adjustments as well. Now, if you want to refine certain features of your video, you can use this very helpful trick I'm about to show you. As of the making of this video, CapCut has a free AI video upscaling tool. And to access it, all you need to do is head on over to this free online video upscaler, which I'll be linking down below for you as well. Once in there, you can simply drag and drop your footage or your clip and wait for it to upload. And if you get this error message that I got while doing this, you can simply head on over to your Canva account, start a new video project, upload your footage, resize it if necessary, and download it at 1080p resolution. If you have any more clips, you can also repeat this process. Simply upload them, adjust them, click share, download, and if you want to batch download your files, you can select the pages of the videos you want to download, and next select the option that says download pages as separate files. Click download, and your clips will be downloaded to your computer. Once your clips are ready, simply upload them to the CapCut upscaling tool, and once they're uploaded, click upscale and wait for the upscaling magic to happen. Once your video is ready, select export, download, and the file will be downloaded into your computer. You can repeat this process as many times as you need with your CapCut free account, as long as you stay within your account's free storage limit. So, what do you think about these aesthetic video styles? I so enjoy spending this time with you today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Kitty Mogul. I love making tutorials like these and aesthetic content for you to enjoy. So make sure to take care of your creative heart, and I'll definitely catch you on the next one.